Greetings, my V family all over the world. This is your chief with my favorite dinosaur t-shirt now. As you can see, I went from bathing ape, now I'm in love with dinosaurs. I don't know why. Alright, and I am here in our beautiful QI tower. Excited that we are now in week 27, guys. Alright, so last week was week 26. I hope that all of you achieve your rank advancement positions that you wanted to reach, the ranks that you aspired to achieve. And now you are back to the first week of the new rank cycle. So you need to plan, you need to think, you need to commit, you need to have a very crystal clear TAT of what rank you want to maintain or move up this month. Alright? And week 27 is exciting. It's a week after my birthday. I still feel like my birthday is on. I want to thank all of you for your messages, for your videos, for your incentive programs that you ran in your own organization, all right, as a gift to me, and all the BVs and all the amazing commissions that you have achieved is the greatest birthday gift that your gorgeous chief could ever wish for. So thank you. I love you guys. I was so proud. Dato Sri wrote me a beautiful birthday message, which is today my greatest lesson in life that I want to share with you guys. Now, each one of you watching this video, firstly, I don't know who watches my Wednesday message all over the world. Some of you are brand new in QNet. Welcome to the greatest journey of your life. Welcome to the greatest family you could ever have, the V family, the greatest network marketing company, QNet. All right. For those of you all who have been a long time, where the Wednesday message is some weird reason you want to see my face and listen to my voice, I love you guys. Thank you for your loyalty to the great ones, Dato Sri Vijay and Jayaprakash Bismarck. And to those who are not yet in QNet and somehow or another you found this Wednesday message, don't waste time. Say yes. Get started with the greatest globalized e-commerce, highest paying commission, most unbelievable products. Alright, the most rebellious, powerful network marketing organization in the world, which has conquered this planet over 22 years. And inshallah, another 22 years and another 22 years. And my Wednesday message, I've done it for over 7 years now. I can't believe it, guys. It's simply unbelievable that I have this commitment and discipline only because I love you. Only because I believe in the vision of Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. That this company, this organization is not only a direct selling company, it's not only a network marketing company, but a company that focuses on helping people grow, helping people unleash their limitless potential. Alright, that Dato Sri Vijay's vision with Japa, that raise yourself to help mankind, is our DNA. And that's why I hear people, there are so many companies in the industry today. This company has come into my country. This company is trying to steal my downlines. Guys, don't waste time comparing, because we are in a league of our own. That we have defined this new space. There is only one company there called QNet. Alright, that allows you to do business anywhere in the world. Pays you one of the highest commissions in the industry. Alright, focuses not only on your income but your personal growth, on leadership. That our DNA is loyalty. That we will remain loyal to you. Alright, your next generation and your next generation. Alright, we promise you this. And this Wednesday, my message is something I want you to listen very carefully. Now, we start a journey in life multiple times. But you started a very interesting journey. A journey where you are embarking on something you have never done before. Alright? Hearing so many new information about max out, about direct referral, about presentation. And some of you are actually talking to people for the first time about a business concept, about products. And some of you have never sold anything in your life, not a product, not an idea. and you are embarking on this new journey. And sometimes we look and search, all right, and we are fearful that we don't have what it takes, that we don't have, all right, the skill, the knowledge, the bravery, all right, the mojo, the power to do this business. Now, firstly, let me share with you my greatest realization. When I started my journey 22 years ago, representing the founders as your upline today, all right, I learned the secret. And the greatest secret I learned is that you have what it takes to be a max out king and queen. It is already inside of you. All right, that I believe that each one of us, regardless who you are watching this Wednesday message, your ability to max out is built in you. You don't have to search for it outside. You don't have to acquire a new skill. You don't have to watch YouTube videos of every motivational speaker on the planet. I've come to realize that I had it in me from the day I was born. Then this is my theory. Whether you believe it or not doesn't matter. It is my Wednesday message. So shut up, listen, and do. All right, I believe in this fundamental theory, all right, that I learned from Dato Sri Vijay, that I learned from my mom, God bless her soul, that we are all born equal. We are all born equal. We are all born, imagine, with a box inside here. There is a box inside of you, all right, and the box has a door, and the door, all right, has a hole for the key, and inside that box is your limitless energy, potential, the max out king, the max out queen, everything you need to achieve greatness in QNet, everything you need to become the best of you is in that box. And we are all born with the box, and it's inside of us. So imagine, close your eyes, and imagine there is a box inside, like you watch in movies, with a bright ball of energy, shining, waiting to be opened and unleashed to the world. And in that box is everything you need to be a max out king, to achieve success financially, as an individual, as a human being, as a mother, father, son, daughter, brother, sister, downline, upline, leader. Everything is there. It's inside. And I always wondered the hours I spent with Dato Sri, all right, the years I spent with Dato Sri as my mentor. What was he trying to do? And I realized that he never gave me much information. He didn't overload me with, information and solutions. He constantly directed me to understand first that I have that box with that unlimitless, all right, limitless power and energy inside of me. Every answer I seek is in that box. And we spend our whole life looking for the key. You understand? You go to a university, you educate yourself, you go to gurujis, you go to ashrams, you find mentors, all right? You search in live, you watch YouTube documentaries and videos trying to find the key. And the greatest lesson I learned, all right, being a student of Dato Sri Vijay, that he made me realize that I was always holding that key in my hand, that it was always with me, but I couldn't see it. I was blind. It's like a special effect that you're holding that key and it's invisible to you because your mind, your focus, your heart was distracted by bull sugar out there. That what you really think you wanted, you didn't know. You wanted what everyone wanted. You wanted exciting youth. You wanted to drink and smoke and enjoy life and waste your life every single day, thinking that you have this temporary happiness like a drug. All right? And then in that process, you were looking for the key and you never found it. And you failed to realize that it was there in your hand all the time. But you were blinded by your ego. You were blinded by fear. You were blinded by arrogance, greed, that you never realized the key was there. And many people, and I hope it's not you, go through life with that box right there. Alright? With every answer you seek, every solution, your limitless potential in anything you do in life. Alright? It's all there in that box waiting to come out. You can almost see the light coming out of the edges of the door. And you spend your whole life never unleashing that power. Never unleashing that potential of yours. Alright? And you die. And then people say, oh, what a wasted life. What a waste. He had great potential, but he never realized it. And when you die and you're lying there in your coffin, that key is so stupidly still in your hand, but you never realized it was there. That you were seeking for it everywhere else, stupidly, like a moron, not realizing that when you were born, the box was given to you with that limitless energy, but the key was always in your hand. But you, to see it, you got to kill your ego. To see it, you got to find purpose. To see that key, you have to be good. You have to do good. As Dato Sri Vijay always says. To see it, alright, you have to love humanity. That you must be filled with sincere happiness. Alright, and your love to raise yourself to help mankind. To love everyone regardless religion. Alright, color, race, creed. That you cannot have hatred, you cannot have jealousy, you cannot have anger. All of that will make you blind to the key. Alright? And I thank Dato Sri Vijay, I thank my mother every day, because they made me see the key in my hand. Alright? And at the age of 26, when I really spread my wings and started to fly and to become truly successful as a max out king and as your upline in this great company QNet, in this industry network marketing, not because I acquired new knowledge, not because I watched 200 videos of some stranger I don't even know who they are, but because Dato Sri Vijay made my eyes clear that I saw the key. Like a moron. I could have found it when I was 12 years old, and people do. I could have found the key when I was 8 years old, but I found it at the age of 26, and I laughed. And all I had to do was take that key, put into my box, turn it, and open that door, and I started to fly. I found every answer, alright, that I ever wanted. I had full clarity of my purpose. I had full clarity of how to build a network that will last. I had full clarity of what my purpose, what is my duty as your upline, as chief, as Dato Sri Vijay's student. Alright, and then I conquered the world. Not because I am smarter than you, not because I have more knowledge than you, because I found that key which was in my hand since the day I was born. And I just opened that door and boom, I felt magical, that nothing could stop me and nothing has, that no negativity, no challenge, that key unleashed that warrior within me. Alright, that who I am today has nothing to do with what I know, but because I saw that key and I unlocked that door. And I thank Dato Sri Vijay every day of my life for giving me that ability to see the key in my hand. Now each one of you there today, on this Wednesday message, I want you to know this, that every answer you seek, every frustration you face, every challenge that is making you demotivated or negative, don't seek for an answer everywhere. Recognize the fact that there is a box with all the answers, all the power, all the energy, all the happiness, all the clarity here. Alright? And all you need to know is the key has been in your hand since the day you were born. And all you need to do is kill your ego, find that clarity, find that moment, and open your hands, and you will see the key. and just unlock your limitless potential. Every max out king, every V partner, AVP, V council, everyone you respect in the V family, including the founders, Dato Sri Vijay and Japa, right? They don't have anything more than you. Right? They have what exactly you and I have. But they found the key and they unlocked that box. And that's why they are the great ones. That's why you look up to them. That's why you see them and you see an unbelievable aura of energy, that you can be sad and you hear their voice and you switch on to be positive. You can feel like giving up and you talk to your great uplines, and immediately you become a warrior again and you build and build and build and max out. So to all of you, my brothers and sisters, my downlines, right? Don't search for the answer everywhere. As Dato Sri Vijay told me, every answer you seek is within you. That box. All you need to do is clear your mind, fill your heart with happiness and love. Enjoy this gift God has given you called life. Be good to people, love your downlines, love your uplines. Make QNet into a purpose of your life, not only the check but beyond that. Alright, that you want to change this world and make it a better place. That your love for your children must be unconditional, your parents, your spouse, your family. Alright, humble yourself and find that one moment of peace, of complete clarity and happiness and love, and then open your hands and you will see the key. And then take that key, unlock that box, and I promise you, you will fly. That max out will come to you. That every challenge you face, you will find the solution like that, and you will smile like you have never smiled before. And as the great one Dato Sri Vijay told me, Patman, stop seeking for answers everywhere. Every answer you seek is within you. It's in that box, begging to shine bright. All you need to do is see the key in your hands. I love you guys. Week 27 is about unleashing that limitless potential within you. Make this your greatest week and shine.